Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Dr. Afis Abolade, the son of Aramide. Welcome to my program. If you are new to this channel, please, I use God to beg you. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Share this program with your friend. Share it with your family. I use God to beg you. Please subscribe. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Afis Abolade. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on IG, Dr. Afis Abolade. Find something to see to write these items down. What I would like to share with you people today is benefits of groundnuts. Benefits of groundnuts. If you are watching this program for the first time, please subscribe. It's free. Please subscribe. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn on your notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you will be the first person to watch my program. If you need more of my video, you are free to watch my previous video. You will see a lot of video there that can help you for spiritual saves. Benefits of groundnuts. If you don't last and longer in bed, try these tips. If you don't last and longer in bed, this is what we do. Go and look for groundnuts. Go and look for roast groundnuts. Roast groundnuts. If your religion does not permit you to drink alcohol, don't use this thing. If your religion does not permit you to drink alcohol, step aside. Don't use these tips. Roast groundnuts. Remove the cover and remove the dirty and roast groundnuts. Remove the dirty. You can use mouth to blow it. You can use your mouth to blow the dirty. Then look for one container. Pour these groundnuts inside one container. Then add oats to it. You can use shinap. Any oats. Add oats to it. Keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, if your religion does not permit you to drink alcohol, step aside. You can't use water to soak this thing. Use alcohol to soak these groundnuts. If you are interested in our products, we have all kinds of herbs such as prostate cancer herb, prostate alignment, diabetes herb, syphilis, infection, aladiaba flusher, manpower, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you will receive your package. You can call me on this number. It's 080-3933-6675 or 080-5313-3142. Wherever you are, you receive your package. Use oats to soak these groundnuts. Soak it, keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, start to drink it. If you do this thing, the results will shock you. If you do this thing, the result will shock you. If you don't last and longer in bed, don't call yourself Okunrimeta. Don't call yourself man again. If you don't last and longer in bed, it's not good. It's not good. Don't let. It's small, but it's mighty. For more video, please, I use God to beg you. For more video, please subscribe. Share this program with your friend. Share it with your family. I just got to beg you, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.